Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to revise the chapter Understanding Laws with the help of some MCQs, multiple choice questions. I will ask the question, then you have to guess the answer. Then at last you should match your score, then you can share with me. So let's start. All the MCQs are based on your textbook. Often women who face violence are seen as victims, but women struggle in several different ways to survive these situations. So here violence means they face violence, physical, mental, etc., and in their homes, outside their homes. So in these kinds of situations, they find the ways, different ways to survive. Therefore, it is more accurate to rather refer to them as dash rather than as dash. Means option A, it is more accurate to refer to them as victims rather than as survivors. Option B, therefore, it is more accurate to refer to them as survivors rather than as victims. Accused, alleged, rich, poor. So, which is the correct answer? The most appropriate answer is B. It is more accurate to refer to them as survivors rather than as victims. So B is the correct answer. When was Rowlatt Act passed in India? It's very simple question. 1917, 1918, 1918 in two options, 1918, 1919. So the correct answer is, we should not be confused, D is the correct answer, 1919. You have to think about Rowlatt Act. Rowlatt Act was passed in 1919, March 1919 by Imperial Legislative Council. You have to remember Imperial Legislative Council, according to which any Indian could be arrested without any trial, could be kept in jail for 2 years. It was very humiliating for Indians, and it was also known as Black Act. Known as Black Act. Mahatma Gandhi opposed this act, Black Act. And to oppose this act, Mahatma Gandhi declared all India strike in April 1919, 6 April 1919. You have to remember, after Rowlatt Act. When was Domestic Violence Act passed in India? Domestic Violence Act means the protection of women against the domestic violence. So this act was passed in 2004, 5, 6, 2007. The correct answer is 2005. This act was passed in 2005 and implemented in 2006. Which of the following has an important role in making laws? Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, Parliament and President. Which of the following? Lok Sabha, this is one of very important houses, right? It is lower house, house of people. Rajya Sabha is upper house, house of the states or the council of states. Parliament consists of these two houses and president also. So the most important role is played only by Parliament, because all these are the parts of Parliament. You have to understand. So Parliament is the correct answer. Only Parliament has the power to make laws in India for the country. Come to the next question. Very easy question. According to which law, sons, daughters and their mothers can get an equal share of family property? Right? Earlier than this act, or before this act, only sons had rights in their family's property, or daughters and mothers did not have the equal share of family property. So which act? Hindu Succession Act 1995, Hindu Succession Amendment Act 2005, Hindu Marriage Act 1956, all of above. So the correct answer is B, Hindu Succession Amendment Act, that was passed in 2005, and according to this act, all the girls, daughters, mothers, etc., means women had equal rights to share of family in family property. Next question. Dr. Satyapal and Dr. Saifuddin Kichlu. These were two popular leaders of Punjab, right? Two popular leaders who were arrested in Amritsar on 10 April, 11 April, 13 April 1919, 20 April 1919. So the correct answer is 10th April 1919. These two leaders were arrested by the British police. After that, on 11 April, the people came on the roads against their arrestation. On 12 April, the martial law was imposed by the British, and 13 April, this was the incident of Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Jallianwala Bagh massacre in Amritsar, in which thousands of people wounded and more than 1,000 people killed. Right? So the A is the correct answer. Who ordered the troops to fire on the crowd in Jallianwala Bagh in Amritsar? This is the incident of 13 April 1919. Against roll attack, the people gathered there in few members, but most of the people came there to enjoy Baisakhi fair on that day 1919 in Jallianwala Bagh. But Lord Curzon, Lord Minto, General Hardy and General Dyer. D is the correct answer. General Dyer ordered the troops to fire on the crowd in Jallianwala Bagh in Amritsar. In 10 minutes firing, more than 1,000 people killed and more than 3,000 people wounded. According to, next question, according to which of the following acts any person protesting for criticizing the British government could be arrested without due trial? The Sedition Act 1870, Vernacular Press Act 1878, Arms Act 1878, Government of India Act 1935. So the most appropriate answer is option A, Sedition Act of 1870, because according to this, no Indian was allowed to criticize the British government, no Indian was allowed to protest against the British government, and if anybody did it, could be arrested without due trial. Vernacular Press Act was passed in 1878, according to which the regional language papers, newspapers were not allowed to write anything against the British government. Arms Act 1878, it was the ban on Indians to keep any kind of weapons. Government of India Act, it was passed in 1935. What is IPC? Indian Penal Code, Indian Police Council, Indian Punishment Committee, or Indian Penal Investigation Penal Council? 4 options are there, so the correct answer is Indian Penal Code. It is the correct answer, B. Dear students, this is the last and final question. When was the Civil Rights Act passed in the USA? Civil Rights Act, 1 December 1955, when Rosa Parks refused to leave the seat for a white person in a bus. Then civil rights movement was started, because this movement was against the discrimination of black people, especially African American people, and due to which, for a long struggle, after a long struggle, Civil Rights Act was passed in the USA. Civil Rights Act, it was passed in 1964. This act was passed in the USA. According to this act, now there is no difference in the constitution, but in fact or in reality, black people still are marginalized and still poor in comparison of white people, and less educated in comparison of white people, right? But constitution is providing the equal rights to all black people or white people. So Civil Rights Act was passed in 1964. Dear students, in this way we have completed this video, and these were MCQs. What is your score? You can tell me by writing in comment box. Thank you. Have a nice day.